It's his personal decision. Hindi ko siya i-influenzahan siya dyan because in the first place, I don't even know where he is now. There's zero communication already from him. Let him decide for himself. Pero yan ang nababasa ko rin kasi sa kanya, aside from yung takot niya, and then that's it. Yung naiisip niya na what good will it do? Na pagpepiestahan lang siya doon. Or worse, papaaminin lang siya bago siya ipresenta doon. Baka i-interrogate siya. Katulad ng mga ginawa nila kay Sebastian tsaka kay Sanchez, na ultimately napilit nila na magsinungaling. Baka ganun din ang gawin sa kanya. Na ituturo na naman ako.
So in case na ma-arresto, you're not confident na he will not testify against you?
I really do not know. The whole point of getting him through this so-called arrest warrant is precisely to force him to turn against me. I have no doubt about that. What is the whole point of all these efforts? Tapos na naman dapat yung House inquiry na yan. Terminate na. So kung may mga kasong i-file na nga yung mga kaso. I think respondent din siya dyan sa mga kaso na yan na final sa DOJ. So para ka pa, interesado sila ngayon na kunin siya. Saka na lang, later na lang, kung meron ng tunay na warrant of arrest proceeding from any proceedings after the DOJ or after the Ombudsman. But not in connection with the House inquiry. Kasi what is the whole point na naman? Para lang dagdagan uli yung panggigipit sa akin. That's the whole point.